Hi, I'm Sandil Tandukar. I joined DLytica Academy for professional data engineering course. I'm currently enrolled and building a strong foundation data engineering concepts to apply it in real world. The course has been practical and hands-on, from building scalable ETL pipelines to working with tools like Apache Airflow and PostgreSQL. Everything is taught with the focus on real-world application. Courses here at DLytica has been really practical and hands-on, from building scalable ETL pipelines to working with modern tools like Apache Airflow and PostgreSQL. Everything is taught with a focus on real-world applications. The projects I've worked during my academic phase has taught me all the basic foundations of data engineering. What's been great here has been the opportunity to grow while learning. I've been hired here at DLytica as full-time associate data engineer, and it's been a continuous learning experience while working on real-world projects. I highly recommend DLytica Academy to anyone who is trying to kickstart their career in data engineering. It has been a wonderful experience so far, and I am very thankful and grateful to DLytica Academy for this.